This is probably our dumbest idea, right?
Yes, it's really stupid.
All right, so our original idea was we're going to drive this to the car wash. But the lady at Autobass said we could do it, but it'll probably rip our skins off. And I don't know, I kind of like my skin.
I'm happy we asked.
Yeah, yeah. So what we're going to do is we are going to put the money in, but it has sensors, so Tyler's going to drive it in, jump out before he gets hit with the sprayer.
Get my
And this
skin
car,
ripped off.
and yeah, this car gets his first car wash. Don't do what we do,
Hope it
please.
doesn't ruin the seats. We got new seats, right?
Maybe.
We're probably gonna need new seats after, because if it's
I
rip
don't-
our skin off, it's definitely gonna rip the leather off the seats.
All right, so
Oh, I hope it doesn't ruin our new steering wheel.
well, if it does, we'll get a new one. So, yeah, we'll video here in a minute. So this is really dumb.
Hey, at least we know the AC tape roof probably wouldn't have worked.
No. The original plan was to make a roof on the AC tape. So, all right, we'll get back to you in a second. Let's see if we can get this car in there.
Oh, we've done paid for it now. No turning back.
Hey, man, I like this $6. You know what I mean? Like,
Wonder if you'll do a refund if our car gets ruined.
all right. So just remember,
You have purchased the Express Wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
says go forward.
Wash is now ready. Please try the location.
Hey, shut the battery switch off. Shut the battery switch off. Get out fast. This is how Corvette owners wash their cars. A little bit of the pre-soap. A good thing we didn't get the hot wax.
If you got the hot wax, she wouldn't have had to tell me to get out of the car.
I hope I put the gas cap back on. Oh, we gotta get in, pull it forward.
What?
Yep. Gotta pull it forward for
Is it
that.
done?
Gotta... No air, no air dry.
Oh, it's gotta move forward before the air dry?
Oh, no. I thought we'd go to the golf course afterwards. I probably should have paid for laser dry. Man, look how clean this car is looking. Sea wet?
Oh yeah. I'm sitting in a pond.
Again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I still think it would have been funner if we'd have gone through.
Yeah, but until
I
our
got-
skin started ripping off. You know?
Yeah. We don't have any health insurance yet, so. Yeah, no.
Subscribe and maybe we will.
All right, thanks for watching, guys.